Welcome, nutrition navigators. Have you ever wondered, what's the truth about calories? Well, buckle up, because we're diving right into the heart of this caloric conundrum. Let's start by debunking an all-too-common myth. No, gaining weight with age is not inevitable. Sure, the average person might gain about 15 kilos between the ages of 20 and 50, but that's not a universal rule etched in stone. It's more about lifestyle choices and less about the candles on your birthday cake. Now let's talk survival instincts. Our brains are hardwired to keep us alive, and sometimes they get a bit overzealous, convincing us that losing weight might decrease our chances of survival. That's why we often regain weight once we end a diet. And what about the calorie content of food? It's not as straightforward as you might think. Take celery, for example. Seems innocuous, right? But cooking can significantly amplify its calorie content. Turns out a calorie is not just a calorie, and cooking can change the game. Now, if you think dieting is all about strict restrictions, think again. Let's talk about sustainable weight loss strategies. Picture a seesaw, the one in the playground. On one side, you've got all the foods you love, and on the other, an active, healthy lifestyle. The key is to keep that seesaw balanced. You can enjoy your favorite foods and still maintain a healthy weight. How, you wonder? Let's say you adore pizza. Instead of cutting it out completely, try a veggie-loaded version or opt for thin crust. It's about making small, manageable changes that you can stick with in the long run. Now let's move on to the genetic lottery. Did you know that over 1,000 genes can affect your body weight? That's like having 1,000 little switches in your body, each playing a small part in controlling your weight. So if you've been blaming yourself for not fitting into those genes from high school, cut yourself some slack. And speaking of genes, let's debunk the myth of BMI, or body mass index. It's like trying to judge a book by its cover. Yes, it can give a rough estimate of body fat, but it doesn't take into account muscle mass or distribution of fat. So, next time you step on the scale, remember, it's just a number. So it's not just about the numbers on the scale, but about the balance on your plate. Ever wonder if eating late at night can affect your weight, or why you crave certain foods? Let's dive into the fascinating world of time, culture, and psychology of eating. You've probably heard about time-restricted eating, right? The idea that eating all your meals within a certain window of time can help you lose weight. But here's the twist. Research suggests that meal timing might not significantly impact weight loss. Instead, it's more about how it affects your hunger levels throughout the day. So, eating late at night? Probably not a ticket to weight gain city, but it might make you crave that midnight snack. Now let's think about the cultural influences on our eating habits. Ever noticed how advertisements always seem to feature the juiciest burgers and the frothiest lattes? Yep. Media and advertising play a big role in shaping our perceptions of food. They can make us crave things we don't necessarily need. And let's not forget the psychological aspects of dieting and weight loss. The societal pressure to conform to certain body standards can often lead to restrictive diets, which are not sustainable in the long run. It's important to remember that a healthy diet isn't about restriction, it's about balance. Food for thought, isn't it? It's not just about what we eat, but also when and why we eat. Ready to navigate your own nutrition journey? Let's dive right in. You may have heard of low-carb and keto diets. These diets have a reputation for being weight loss superstars, and for good reason. They focus on reducing carbohydrates, which can lead to the body burning fat for energy instead of sugars. Think of it like switching your car's fuel from regular to premium. Now let's tackle insulin resistance. Imagine insulin as a key that opens a door to your cells for sugar to enter. But sometimes, the lock gets jammed and the key can't open the door. That's insulin resistance, folks. It can lead to weight gain and even diabetes. But remember, the nutrition world is not black and white. There are more than 1,000 shades of gray, and your diet should reflect your individual needs and preferences. Remember, your health is in your hands and every good choice counts. Thanks for joining us on this nutrition journey. We're thrilled to have you on board as part of our healthy lifestyle community. If you found value in this video, we'd love for you to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Maybe you know someone struggling with their diet, or perhaps you just want to spread the good word about nutrition. Every share counts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of nutrition and health. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. It's not about perfection, it's about making better choices one meal at a time. So take control of your health, arm yourself with knowledge, and make informed choices that suit your individual needs. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.